Hey everyone, and welcome to Devolutions HQ.
Episode number 5.
Yeah, absolutely. My name's Yan. I'm here with Jenny again. And we're going to give you some great tech tips and tricks, talk about the blogs and Devolutions news, and we're here to help you guys control the IT chaos. So, first up, we had a contest a couple weeks ago.
Yes, we
that
did.
we asked for you guys' best wish list since the holiday season is here. So some tech gifts and things like that, and we had some great ideas. And I just want to let you know that the winner of our Wakey,
A little plush Wakey.
little plush Wakey, and he'll be
So
wrapped
cute.
and we'll send him to you, is Eric Garneau. So thank you so much, Eric, for your tip. And anyway, Eric's wish list idea was Microsoft's new
Yeah, it looked really cool.
natural keyboard, modern keyboard that has a FingerPrintID. So you just put your fingerprint in and it logs into your Windows, which is pretty cool. And we love those. So another one that I really liked was Ben Liebowitz's idea, though, is that, you know those little boxes that have the little, you push the switch and the little finger comes out?
I bought one like a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
Well, anyway, he suggested actually on Amazon, you can build your own. So if you guys want something nerdy and geeky, hey, those are pretty cool tools. So
Pretty cool.
anyway, so congratulations, Eric. We'll send you
Congrats.
guys your wake, and I hope that he keeps you warm this holiday season.
Aw,
So absolutely. All right. Well, anyway, let's talk a little bit about some tech news, and
Yeah.
let's take a look at that.
Okay, so for the tech news, Facebook has came out and apologized for a bug that they had. They found a photo API bug.
Okay.
The bug could have impacted up to 6.8 million users.
Wow, yeah.
So it's the bug was that it allowed third-party app to access people's photo that weren't supposed to be seen. So you know how you allow people to look at pictures
Absolutely,
on your
yep.
Facebook?
Yep.
Well, everybody could access them through a third-party app.
Oh, wow, yeah,
So
sure.
if you want to check if you were affected by that bug, just go to Facebook Alert. We'll direct you to a help center page where you can check if you've used any apps that were actually part of the API bug.
Wow,
So
okay.
go check it out just to be sure and be safe that all your information is safe and secure.
So this feature is pretty cool, and a lot of you guys may have been transitioning from using passwords in browsers, right? And a lot of us maybe did that in the past.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
It's better than sticky notes, but definitely not
better than
necessarily more
sticky notes.
secure, because we have to be careful of that.
Yeah.
But and then you buy something like RDM, and then all of a sudden you're like, what do I do with all these thousands of passwords I have?
So where you don't want to like write each one of them.
Exactly. So there's actually in RDM, there's a tool that we have there that you can import directly from Chrome. All of your passwords, and your username and passwords for all the websites that you use. So you can go into, and you don't have to export anything. It'll integrate directly with it. So
Very nice.
you just use the tool. I'll show you guys how to do that. It's very simple. And but what it lets you store your passwords in Remote Desktop Manager, where you have a lot more control over where
And
the
a lot
passwords
more
are.
security.
A lot more security as well. And then make sure after that you go into Chrome and you erase your passwords from there, because you don't want to
Yes.
do that. But anyway, it's just a really cool tip. So I hope you guys try it out.
Really nice.
And importing from Chrome is just a great feature. A lot with all the other integrations we have as well. With some people, we import from LastPass and 1Password and things like that.
Yeah.
So anyway, let's head into the trenches. We'll take a look a little bit at the blogs going on this week.
Yeah, well, I'm back to writing blog. I took a few weeks off.
Sure.
My blog this week is about PAM versus SSO versus password management. So there's multiple solutions out there when you want to protect your credentials, your passwords, and depending on your organization and what are the priorities within your company, your solution might differ. You might want to go more with a PAM if you have like privilege access management that you need to do, privilege account. Although SSO might be for another type. So it really, the pros and cons of each of solution. And also I do a little example, if your organization is more towards some privacy, then which solution is better for you.
That's really good.
So it's a good little read for you.
Enjoy the article. And by the way, everything we mentioned in the show today, we'll put it down in the show notes so you guys can link to those quickly,
Great.
okay? But yeah, make sure you read that article. It'd be very good. We've got some Devolutions news. We got an event we're going to be at pretty soon.
I am so excited about this. So January 10 and 11, we'll be in Toronto for Microsoft Ignite the Tour. If you guys are in Toronto, if you have the chance to come, would be more than happy to serve Devolutions people or
Yeah.
Devolutions user.
Sure.
Be there, come and see us. I'll be there with Max Trottier, Maurice Côté, and David Hervieux.
Perfect.
So we can't wait to go and enjoy Microsoft Night.
Yeah, you guys are gonna have a booth, right?
Yes, we
That's
have a
awesome.
booth over there.
So that's so cool. We'll visit the booth.
Yay.
Well, anyway, the holiday season is around the corner. So
Yes, it is.
whether you celebrated Hanukkah or you celebrate Christmas or any type of traditions, anyway, we just wanted to thank you guys for watching. You guys are our
Thank you
listeners.
so much.
And we'll definitely see you guys New Year.
Yeah.
But anyway, we just wanted to wish you guys a
Happy holidays.